This chicken is so delicious that I prepare it almost every day. I'm sure everyone will like the result. For today's recipe, we are going to need 3 chicken breasts, to which I will make 4 cuts in this way, and then I will make 3 cuts in the opposite direction. Guys, these chicken breasts that we are making, they are very tasty and are super easy to prepare. I am sure everyone will like the result. Now I'm going to season it by adding a little salt on top of each one. I will also add a little black pepper. And to finish, some garlic powder. And with my hands, I'm going to smear it very well. At this moment, I would like to know from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Rosie Deduo from Philippines, also for Michael Ukaku from Nigeria, and Martha Richard Chua Malaysia. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Then, I will pass all the breasts through wheat flour, covering it very well. Next, in a pan, I will add 3 tablespoons of butter and stir until it melts. Once the butter is melted, I will add the chicken breasts, letting it cook until golden brown very well. When one side has browned, I will turn it over so that the other side is browned. Once this golden on both sides, I will add a tablespoon of margarine and 3 crushed garlic cloves, leaving it to fry for a few minutes. When I fry